As a developer, you run into errors all the time. Chances are you've spent hours searching the web for the perfect solution to your problems. That's where Bugshare comes in, the browser extension that finds solutions to your errors so that you can get back to coding. So how does Bugshare work? The Bugshare browser extension knows when you've had an error and will try to find the solution to your problem. You can click any of the suggested cards to open a link to the solution. This solution is useful, but it doesn't address the current problem. In that case, try to identify the cause of the error and fix it yourself. Once you've made the changes to your code, save it and refresh your browser. Bugshare knows when you've fixed your error and will ask you to explain how. You can write the solution to how you fixed your error and choose who you want to share that with. Next time another developer using Bugshare runs into a similar error, your solution will be recommended to them. So that's how Bugshare works. Now let's see the impact using Bugshare has. This is Developer B. Developer B has run into the same error during development. Bugshare knows this and automatically finds relevant solutions that has been previously shared. Developer B follows the same steps suggested by Bugshare in fixing their error. Once the error is fixed, they can simply upvote the solution that they found helpful. So when you contribute to Bugshare, you're not only helping yourself, but you're helping the millions of developers around the world that have the same problem as you. Download the Bugshare Chrome extension now and save time while you debug errors.